Namaskar everyone. I'm Shabana Sharma, spiritual healer, tarot card reader, astrologer, numerologist, graphologist, clinical hypnotherapist, crystal healer, works on spells, charms, magic, Reiki healer. The science of graphology, that is handwriting analysis. Let's talk about the size of font. Those people who write extra large size of alphabets, they have superiority complex, dominating nature, showy and overstatement. Those who have small size handwriting, their concentration ability is high on details. They are focused. These people are thoughtful. They are thoughtful in spending time, money and energy. They have personal goals, individualistic goals. They are the followers. Those who have extra small handwriting, they have got good concentration power, good observation power. They are capable of detailed research. They are resourceful. They are genius. For consultation, contact me on a given number. Learn various modalities of occult tarot card reading, numerology, astrology, graphology, making charms, healing candles, Reiki, and be a part of occult world. Always stay blessed.